Welcome guys, today I'm with the SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV and I want to show you what is the maximum zoom range in this camera application. So as you can see, currently we are on the 0.7, that's ultra wide lens, and we can zoom into the 1 time, 3, 5, and the maximum zoom range right here, that's 15.6, and that's also the quality of the zoom. Take a look. Camera is stable, that's good optic image stabilization. As you can see, it's not shaking even when I'm like, you know, moving my hands a little bit. The shot is stable, and that's the maximum zoom range thanks to this periscope lens that you can find in this place right here. Let me just catch focus. Okay, so that's the periscope lens in this phone. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.